what I do.
County District Attorney Fani Willis. Ambitious use of the Georgia's RICO statute to prosecute former President Donald Trump. It's devolved into a legal quagmire marred by personal scandals and procedural missteps. And when I say ambitious use, imagine a person who weighs 400 pounds saying, you know what, next week I'm gonna run a 26-mile marathon. That's ambitious. That's the type of ambition I'm talking about. Now, the case initially heralded as a bold stand against alleged election interference, but now it appears increasingly tenuous. And it raises questions about Willis's judgment and the integrity of her office. Now, Willis's decision to employ the RICO Act, a tool traditionally reserved for dismantling crime, organized crime, syndicates, you know, the 5 families. She wanted to use it against Trump and his associates. That's been widely criticized. Okay, most legal experts and any law school professor that teaches criminal procedure will tell you that applying RICO in this context stretches the statute beyond its intended purpose, likening it to using a sledgehammer to crack a nut. You understand? And the central allegation hinges on Trump's infamous request to find 11,780 votes. That's not a crime. Go find them. If they're not there, they're not there. He didn't ask you to make them up. Okay? I mean, yeah, the statement might be controversial, but it hardly constitutes the orchestrated criminal enterprise that RICO was designed to combat. Now, compounding these legal frailties are the serious allegations concerning Attorney Willis's personal conduct. And you guys remember the reports have surfaced that she had this romantic relationship with Willis. She had it with Nathan Wade. He was a special prosecutor. He's a personal injury lawyer. And she appointed him to Trump's case. And the evidence suggested that Willis acted like some kind of sugar mama for this man, financing lifestyle and trips to Miami and Napa Valley. So he paid her, she paid him, and he took her on all these fancy trips to Miami and Napa Valley. That sounds like a kickback. You understand? Nevertheless, it raised concerns about potential misuse of public funds. And these revelations, they have tarnished Ms. Willis's reputation. And they've cast a shadow on the impartiality of the prosecution. Look, you got a Republican-controlled House of Representatives that is about to take office in Washington, D.C. They are going to be issuing subpoenas to Fani Willis as part of an investigation into the alleged misuse of federal grant funds and potential ethical violations. Because remember, they give money to Fulton County under federal subsidies and such. So they have the right to oversight to see what happens to that money. And with the subpoena power in hand, Congress is poised to delve deep into Willis's conduct, and the findings could be very, very damning, to say the least. Again, y'all, the political winds are shifting. And now she faces the very real prospect of being a target of federal inquiry. This is a prosecutor. It could lead to disbarment. It could even lead to criminal charges. They will try to put this woman in jail. Remember, there are several people who've already pleaded guilty to these charges that she charged. Y'all hear what I'm saying? So these are people who have skin on in the game, man. Nevertheless, somebody type hard-headed in the chat room. Are y'all with me? Is this boring? I'm interested. I like it. I think it's a mess. It's a hot legal mess. Okay, is this cool? Y'all with this? Are y'all following where I'm going up in here with this, man? I just need to know. All right? Because see, she hard-headed. Because despite all these controversies, Attorney Willis, she was reelected in 2024. But this victory may prove hollow as the legal and political pressures mount. Her insistence on pressing forward with this Trump prosecution, despite its evident weakness and the personal scandals, undermine her office's credibility and suggest a perilous miscalculation. Fani Willis's predicament serves as a cautionary tale about the dangers of overzealous prosecution driven by political motivations. And by pursuing a legal, dubious case under the glare of personal scandal, she has not only jeopardized her career, but also eroded the trust in the judicial system. The RICO case against Trump, it was seen as a bold move, but now it looks like a house of cards on the verge of collapse. And in this high-stakes arena of political prosecutions, holding a tiger by the tail is a dangerous game. Fani Willis's experience starkly illustrates the perils of such a strategy. As the tiger now, and I'm talking about Trump, now threatens to turn on you with potentially devastating consequences. Shout out to my man, Quantum Solace. Thank you so much. Okay? Now, we could talk about Leticia James too, because I didn't put a picture up, but I just felt the need to speak about her situation. Okay? Because she's a New York attorney, another black lawyer, another black prosecutor propped up by these liberal Democrats. Okay? All my New York people, this woman, just like Alvin Bragg and Fani Willis, they pursued Donald Trump with a fervor. Okay? James, she's known for being outspoken, but she built her career in part on promises to prosecute Donald Trump. Okay? And now Trump is about to get back in the White House, and he knows her name. Shout out to my man NJ. Okay? James finds herself now embroiled in a situation that mirrors the precarious legal and political circumstances faced by Bragg. Her case was built on thin ice, talking about widespread financial fraud. But the Trump organization, including the inflated property valuation, this is what they said. He inflated his property valuations down in Florida to get a loan. The banks were paid back. They were happy. They liked it. Only one mad is her. This is common practice in the real estate. Next time you sell a house, your house is worth 45. Let's say your house is worth 250,000. You say it's worth 280,000. They might put you in jail for that. Or let's say you think it's worth 400,000. Oh, that's inflated. Or you trying to put a pool in the backyard. You got a $400,000 house. You want to get a loan. You tell them it's worth 500,000. You literally might go to jail for that. That's basically what they're saying. Even if you pay the loan back. Even if the bank comes out and has a property assessor assess your house. That's what these people are saying. And this is long after the pool is paid off. There's no smoking gun of intentional fraud. Look, a valuation is inherently substantive. Who's to say the house wasn't worth $1 billion? The president used to live there. That's the president's house, Mar-a-Lago. You understand what I'm saying? So what it looks like is people like Fani Willis, Leticia James, and Alvin Bragg, they weaponize their office. It looks like they have a personal vendetta. It looks like they've been set up to do it. And you got all these public statements made by these people, and now they're being scrutinized in light of Trump's reelection. His Justice Department could investigate whether James coordinated her efforts with Fani Willis, or Alvin Bragg, or the U.S. Justice Department, or the White House. All these federal officials, political operators, they got the notes now. Okay? They got that. This could lead to interference or abuse of power, election interference, federal charge. If any connection to Biden's White House or the Democratic Party operatives is uncovered, all of them could find themselves facing a grand jury in federal court. That's what I'm talking about. This is where they at. And they can't, and look, let me say it like this. It's so many different ways to get them. Alvin Bragg, Fani Willis, Leticia James, all black prosecutors, all well-educated folk. They underestimated the potential political retribution. And these fools, these intelligent legal minds will not drop the cases. Their offices have relentlessly focused on Donald Trump. They are in politically advantageous Democratic strongholds, but that won't matter.
What's up? Welcome to the broadcast. This is Uncle D.
People wash their ass in the tub, Kamala Harris.
You would tune in to Uncle D. D's black man talk. Pull up, homie, take a seat. Don't be a shadow watcher every day. You learn something and you earn something. And let them know and drop some money in the plate. It's getting cold, ladies, talking ratchet. There's a king here, grab your coat, zip your jacket. Keep quiet for a second, close your jaw. Attorney Spurling, this ain't pearly, know the law. Talking Constitution, pushing pins when he shooting, give him that. Masculinity, just for the record, sprinkle that. You can keep your cat, gotta cut it. Only cat he rubbing, gotta love it. I call it Molly Buddy. Gotta vote your interest, voting earns. Presidential, this is for the money that I earn. When you gon' learn, my people, that evil mixed with evil. No matter what you're doing, baby, this ain't equal. Sometimes when you're special, you get hated. The test is for the best, you're damn right, my people made it. Uncle D, Blizzard King, you been served, gotta notice. Now black men out here know we winning, gotta hold it now. Uncle D, you been served, get your notice. Now black men out here know we winning, gotta hold it now. Uncle D, you been served, get your notice. Now black men out here know we winning, gotta hold it now. Uncle D, you been served, get your notice. Now black men out here know we winning, gotta hold it now.
Hey man, I'll do what I do.
Somebody need to whip your ass.
Get up and whip him, Sweets.
Hey, don't be putting the money in my hand all rough.
Take your ass out here. You buy you a Flowbee and cut your own damn hair. Right?